Assalamualaikum students, today we are going to discuss another important topic of organic chemistry, which is aromatic compounds and aromaticity. So simple, those organic compounds, there are certain conditions which should be satisfied for an organic compound to be aromatic, which are: number first, the compound should be cyclic. It means the compound should be closed chain. The first condition which should be satisfied for an aromatic organic compound, that it should be cyclic. Number second, it should be planar. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि साइक्लिक तो आसान है, प्लेनर का क्या मतलब है? which have alternate single and double bond. It means the system should be conjugated. System means the compound should be conjugated, which have alternate double and single bond. And you know conjugated diene, those compounds in which two double bonds separated by a single bond. And the most important, which follow the Haeckel rule. The most important condition for an organic compound to be aromatic is the following of what? Haeckel rule. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे what is meant by Haeckel rule are called aromatic compounds, and this phenomena for organic compound is called aromaticity. So what is meant by Haeckel rule? आप ये नोट कर लें कि the compound should be cyclic, planar, have conjugated, मतलब it should have alternate single and double bonds, and it should follow the Haeckel rule. Haeckel rule means those cyclic and planar. First, it should be cyclic, it should be planar, and then it should follow which rule? Haeckel rule. What is meant by Haeckel rule? So, those cyclic and planar organic compounds which have 4n+2 pi electron, यानी उसमें पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन की तादाद कितनी होनी चाहिए? 4n+2 pi electron will be aromatic, and this rule is called actually Haeckel rule. Now, what is n? N is a general number. For example, if we put n is equal to 0, 4 multiplied by 0 plus 2, so 2 pi electron system. Which system? Which is cyclic and what? Planar. That cyclic and planar organic compound which have 2 pi electron will be aromatic. इसमें कुछ exceptions भी है, अब हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. If we put n is equal to 1, स्टूडेंट अक्सर कहते हैं कि सर व्हाट इज़ 1? इट इज़ अ जनरल नंबर which can be 0, 1. अगर हम इसको 1 पुट करें, 4 multiply by 1 plus 2, so 6 pi electron system like benzene have 3 pi bonds, so 6 pi electron system which is cyclic, which is planar, will be aromatic. N is equal to 2, 4 plus 2, 4 multiply by 2 plus 2, 10 pi electron system like what? Like naphthalene. If n is equal to 3, 4 multiply by 3 plus 2, 14 pi electron system like anthracene and penanthrene. So these cyclic and planar compounds which have 2 pi electron, 6 pi electron, 10 pi electron, and 14 pi electron will be considered as aromatic compound. I repeated that there are certain exceptions which will be discussed later on. So 2 और 6 के दरमियान क्या है? 4 pi. That cyclic and planar compound can't be aromatic which have 4 pi electron, which have what? 8 pi. 6 और 10 के बीच में क्या है? 8 pi, which will be not aromatic. 12 pi electron will be not aromatic, which is between 10 and 14. So अक्सर ये MCQs में आ सकता है, dash pi electron system will not be aromatic. 2, 6, 4, 14. So 4, 8, 12, etc. These compounds can't be called as what? Aromatic, because they do not follow Haeckel rule. These systems follow Haeckel rule. Now we will discuss this rule with certain examples in detail. As I repeatedly said that there are certain exceptions. Now what is meant by planar? For example, student, जैसा कि हमको पता है benzene, which is a common example of our FSC course, intercourse, as there are 6 carbon, and each carbon in benzene is actually what? sp2 hybridized, because each carbon is attached to other 3 atoms, and there is alternate double and single bond. So benzene follow all the conditions which are required for aromaticity. It is cyclic, it is planar. Planar means when all the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, so there is no bond angle out of the plane. As in sp2, we know that, for example, if it is an sp2 system, so the bond angle should be 120, 120 and 120. 120 multiplied by 3 is equal to 360 degree. But if we consider as a tetrahedral compound, so obviously there are 4 bonds, so one bond will be obviously out of the plane, because each bond angle in tetrahedral is 109.5, which is sp3 hybridized. So one angle here is out of the plane. So such system are called what? Non-planar. So for planarity in cyclic system, each carbon should be sp2 hybridized. So as I said, that benzene follow all the rules. It is cyclic, it is planar, it is conjugated system, alternate double and single bond, alternate double and single bond, and the most important, it also follow Huckel rule, 6 pi electron system, and there are 3 pi bonds, alternate double single bond भी है यहाँ पर. All carbon are what? sp2 hybridized, which means all are sp2, so the compound is what? Planar, cyclic, and also follow Huckel rule because it is 6 pi electron system. So such compounds are called what? Aromatic compounds. Now aromatic compounds are of 2 types. One is called carbocyclic, these are also called homocyclic. When all the ring members are carbon, अगर ring members तमाम carbon है, there is no atom other than carbon inside the ring, such compounds, aromatic compounds, are called carbocyclic or what? Homocyclic. For example, benzene. For example, what? Naphthalene, which is what? 10 pi electron system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pi bonds. It means there are 5 multiplied by 2. So it is 10 pi system which follow the Huckel rule. And as I have discussed, 3 fuse benzene ring if attached to each other like this, so it is called anthracene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied by 2. So there are 14 pi electron system which also obey the Huckel rule. So such compounds are called what? Carbocyclic or homocyclic aromatic compounds. Now the second category of aromatic compounds are heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic means in which heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. For example, those aromatic compounds which have at least कम से कम at least one atom other than carbon in the ring, inside the ring, are called heterocyclic aromatic organic compounds. For example, जैसा कि स्टूडेंट हमको पता है, for example, if there is one nitrogen instead of carbon, so such compound is called pyridine. It is also 6 pi electron system, but here one carbon atom is replaced by what? By nitrogen. So such aromatic compound is heterocyclic aromatic, which is the structure of what? Pyridine. If there are, for example, it is a pentagonal ring, and if there is one oxygen, so this is called what? Furane. अक्सर स्टूडेंट कहते हैं कि सर यहाँ पर तो 1 आवृत्ति 1, it is a 4 pi system. So student, here is also one lone pair of oxygen is involved in what? Resonance. ऑक्सीजन पर तो 2 लोन पेयर है, लेकिन that pair which is involved in resonance in the ring is called delocalized pair of electron. So it means 2 electron 4, और ये 2 lone pair be also involved in resonance. So it is actually what? 6 pi electron system. तो स्टूडेंट कहते हैं कि सर इस तरह तो यहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन पर भी लोन पेयर है, लेकिन नाइट्रोजन की एरोमेटिसिटी कंप्लीट है. There is no need of this lone pair to be delocalized inside the ring because already 6 pi electron system यहाँ पर क्या है? Complete है. So there is no need of this lone pair to be involved in the resonance, but this lone pair should be needed to maintain the aromaticity, to have 6 pi electron system to follow the Huckel rule. For example, another example of heterocyclic aromatic compound is pyrrole, like this. Here is one nitrogen. So here is one hydrogen attached to nitrogen, but this nitrogen also have a lone pair. So in pyridine, the lone pair of electron and nitrogen not involved in resonance because already the aromaticity has been maintained. But here the lone pair is needed to be delocalized like the oxygen lone pair in furane to maintain the aromaticity. So it is actually 2 or the 2, 4 and 2. It is also 6 pi electron system. अगर इसी तरह स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर सल्फर आया instead of oxygen, so then it is called what? Thiopene. So these compounds are called heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Now there are certain exceptions to Haeckel rule. For example, if we consider the example of cyclopropene, so student, it is the structure of cyclopropene. Here is carbon, carbon, carbon. So each carbon should be attached to, should form 4 covalent bonds. So this carbon here attached to 1, 2, 3. So this carbon is actually sp2 hybridized. This carbon is actually sp2 hybridized. But student, this carbon is actually what? sp3. So this structure is actually what? Non-planar. Although it is cyclic. First condition ये satisfy कर रहा है. For aromaticity, it should be cyclic. Cyclopropene is actually what? Cyclic. But it is not planar. It is what? Non-planar. ये planar नहीं है. Because for planarity, each carbon should be sp2 hybridized. But here in cyclopropene, one carbon is what? sp3 hybridized. So although it follow the Haeckel rule, it is actually 2 pi electron system because it is, here is 1 pi bond. So it follow the Haeckel rule. लेकिन स्टूडेंट Haeckel rule हम कंसिडर करेंगे जब पहले 2 कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड हो. कौन से? साइक्लिक एंड दूसरा द कंपाउंड शुड बी व्हाट? द कंपाउंड शुड बी प्लेनर. तब हम देखेंगे कि आया ये रूल फॉलो कर रहा है कि नहीं. although यहाँ पर 2 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन है, बट स्टिल इट इज़ नॉट एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स. थैंक यू.